Hello my dear friends, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'm gonna teach you how to make this smart battery charging animation in the After Effects. And best part, everything reacts automatically with the expressions. You will learn how to connect fill, color and percentage in one dynamic slider setup. Stay tuned till the end and don't forget to subscribe. All files and expressions are in the description. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to import our AI file into the After Effects. So double click on the project panel and select this AI file. You can download from the description. Choose the import as, choose this one, composition retain layer sizes, and hit import. And double click on it. And this is our metal body of the battery. And this is backside metal body and this is glass. Alright. So let's add the text. So click on the text. I'm going to type here 0 and make sure text paragraph should be center line. Okay, and move it in the center. Now we have to make the rectangle, so select the rectangle tool and make it rectangle like this and change the name of it battery level and move it under the glass. So this is the glass, and let's change this name as well, glass, and this is upper body, backside body. All right, so this is our entire setup. After that, right click, new, add the null object and rename it. Right click, rename, and name it battery underscore control CTRL. CTRL will be capital and B also should be in the capital. This is really important. After that, go to the effects, expression and controls, and select the slider control and rename this slider control. So right click, rename it and name it battery underscore level. After that, go again effects, expression controls, and select this drop down menu control and name it, right click, name it direction. Don't do any typo and spelling mistakes, otherwise this expression is not gonna work. Now expand the null object, expand the effects, and expand the direction. So there are 3 items, 1, 2, 3. We have to add one more. So click on this, add it, and click on this plus and name it left, and second will be right, and third is top, and fourth is bottom. And we are doing this thing because if you want to increase your battery level from the left side, then you have to select this left, and if you want to increase your battery from the right side, then select the right. If you want from the top, then select the top. So it's work like this. Now select your text layer and expand it, expand the text, and we are going to use all of this expression. You can copy from the description. So copy this first expression, this one, and Ctrl C to copy, and select this text layer and this expand this text. Click on this source text and hold Alt and click on it to add the expression, and Ctrl V to paste the expression. And if you select this null object and increase the slider, then you will see your number is also changing. Now select this shape layer, battery, expand the layer, expand the rectangle, expand the fill. So now we are going to use this second expression, apply on the fill. So copy this expression, Ctrl C to copy, and click on this color, hold Alt and click on to add the expression, and Ctrl V to paste your expression. So this is the changing color expression. And if your battery will be 0%, it's going to red, and if it will be 20%, then battery will be yellow, and if it will be up to 80%, it's going to be green. This is what this expression does. After that, expand this rectangle, and we are going to use this third expression. Copy this expression, Ctrl C to copy. We have to apply the expression on this rectangle path 1 size, but before that we have to remember the sizes. maybe your sizes would be different, but you have to remember your sizes. Note this. So first is 699 and second is 339. Okay, so hold Alt, click on it, Control V to paste. So we have to change these values. So first is 699. So I'm going to change this one, 699.0, and second is 339.0. Last expression, we are going to use this third one. So select from here, Control C to copy. Click on this position and hold Alt and click on it to add this expression as well, and Control V to paste. And we have to change this number as well. Then we will copy the size numbers 699, 339. So let's change this one, 699.0 and 339.0. So we have to add the background. So right click, new, add the black solid and name it background and hit OK and move it under all of these layers and go to the effect and preset panel and search grid and apply onto this background layer and change the size from width slider. And width value, let's make it 65, and border 1, and opacity, let's make it 50%. In the beginning, add the anchor point keyframe and go to the end, move it to the right side. And it should animate something like this. Alright, select the battery control layer and increase the slider, then you will see like this, number and color both are changing together. Also, we can control the battery size dynamically. So now let's do one more thing. Select this battery and go to the effect and preset panel and search wave wrap and apply onto it and change the wave height. Let's make it -9 and wave width, let's make it 106. Direction it's 0 and pinning top edge. And select this battery level again and Control to duplicate. Move it under the battery level first one and go again effect and preset panel and search tint and apply onto this one. Change the map white to black and hit OK and move the second battery level to right side little bit. As you can see, the battery back color is black now. So after that, let's change the wave width value. Decrease the wave width value, let's make it 99 and it's looking good to me. This tint amount, let's make it 65%. And if you increase this one, you will see like this animation. So let's add the keyframe. So I'm going to make it 0%, add the keyframe and make it 0 and go at the 4 seconds. Let's make it 100. And render area will be around 5 seconds. And text size is bigger, so press S, decrease the scale size of this. If you want to change the direction of this increasing battery, then you have to change this direction. So let's make it white, then you will see now it's going to the left side. And if you want to, it should go bottom to top, then select this one, top. If you are choosing this top, then you will have to select this battery level and change the wave direction as well. And let's change this one bottom, then it will go top to down, something like this. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question or doubts about this tutorial, feel free to drop them down in the comments. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for more awesome motion design and After Effects tutorials. All the files and expressions are linked in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep creating.